Is this game over for a lot of small content creators on YouTube with this new requirement update that's coming out in about 6 months' time, February the 1st? So it used to be, or it is at the moment, 4,000 hours watch time to get into YouTube monetization and get paid for views. 4,000 hours watch time, and most people struggle with this. The stats say that out of all YouTube channels ever created, only 3% is monetized. That's how hard it is to get monetized on YouTube at 4,000 hours watch time. Now, YouTube has just announced that as of February the 1st, you need 8,000 hours watch time. That's 480,000 minutes of people sitting at their computer or phone or TV watching your videos. So if people are struggling to hit 4,000 hours watch time, I'd hate to think how hard it's going to be to get 8,000 hours watch time. Especially as a small content creator, especially a travel content creator, because not everybody can go on holiday every day of the year. So they're very limited on what they can actually post on YouTube. So to say that they now have to do twice as much content to get to the same place that they was aiming at, like imagine going to bed on January the 31st, almost there, and then waking up and then you go, and now I need another 4,000 hours, because it's actually really hard to hit 4,000 hours. So to then make it 8,000 hours. But let me know in the comments if it's going to put you off, demotivate you from making YouTube videos, because it's completely, like, it feels like it's miles away now, and it's going to be completely impossible in the future when they bring out this new update. 8,000 hours. But like I say, let me know in the comments if you think it's going to benefit, because there are a few benefits from it if you do manage to hit the 8,000 hours. But if you're into shorts content creation, then it's going to be a completely different ball game, because before you had to have 10 million views in 90 days. Now you have to have 20 million views in 90 days. But then not only that, you have to maintain 10 million views every 90 days to carry on getting paid from YouTube Shorts. If you drop below 10 million, you don't get paid for your YouTube Shorts. So, and that's even the same if you're making long content and then the occasional YouTube Shorts. Like some people do both and then they make a few quid off a YouTube Short if it gets a few views. Now, unless they're maintaining 10 million views, you're not going to be getting paid from YouTube Shorts. So is that going to put you off making YouTube Shorts, or are you just still going to make them anyway? But they are a good way of gaining subscribers. But there are a few benefits to this new update. There's going to be more ways to earn money, and the ways you earn money should be more, because in theory, if you're going to make a couple of £100 from 4,000 hours a year, you're going to have to hit 8,000 hours watch time, so you're going to earn double the money, possibly more than that, because of all the new extra bonuses that they're going to be putting into the system. But like I say, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this new update that's getting rolled out on February the 1st next year. So you've got about 6 months to get monetized now, because if you get monetized now or before this new update, you don't have to then get this 8,000 hours, so that's a bonus. But it's just whether it's possible to actually get monetized between now and this new update. For me personally, I'm just going to keep making videos regardless, because I have got other YouTube channels that are monetized and other social media platforms that's monetized. So I'm just going to keep plodding away, see what happens. I might make a video in February to see if I manage to get monetized before the big update. So stay tuned, watch that one, subscribe to follow the journey to see if I do make it to YouTube monetization on this account. But like I say, let me know in the comments what you think about this new update. Is it going to put you off? Are you going to carry on? Are you still going to go for the monetization, or you're just going to make videos just for the fun of it. So hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.